Now go ahead and take the SIM extractor tool here that came with the Samsung S25 FE. And at the bottom of the phone here, next to the USB-C port here, here's where you would find the SIM tray. Go ahead and take your SIM extractor tool, push it into the SIM tray hole here on the left-hand side, and just push down a little bit until you see it pry open, just like that. Then go ahead, take your fingers and just remove the SIM card tray. Now what we have to do is take our SIM card here. It only lines up one way. You'll see how it is positioned right here. And then all we have to do is just position it just like how the diagram or just the helper guide that you saw here. All right, now that that's all lined up, let's go ahead, reinsert it back into the phone now. And it should just slide right in. And then you just push in a little bit, make sure it's now flush. And now your SIM card is inserted into your Samsung S25 FE. All you have to do is just go ahead and power on your phone now.